ELEC327 Level 1. Programming MSP430G2553 on breadboard circuit. Here's my breadboard circuit. Here's my launchpad. And here's my LED blinking Morse code SOS. I am using a 1 kilo ohm resistor to limit the current through this LED to about 1 milliamp, which is very safe. For SOS, S is ... and O is ... in Morse code. As you can see, S, O, S. Repeat. S, O, S. Repeat. Now I'm going to change my input message from SOS to CFM, confirm. All I need to do is to change my input from the first line to the second line here. So for Morse code, C is ... F is ... and M is ... C, F, M. Repeat. C, F, M. Again, this is Morse code for CFM. Repeat. Repeat. C, F, M. Repeat again and again. And as you can see, this system is working very successful. And this is Level 1. Thanks for watching.